So children, in last class we discussed about this taskbar and their and what were they present on our taskbar. Today we will see what are their start button, search box, and next we will see how to shut down a computer. Means how will be off our computer will see. Okay? Open page number 34. Page number 34 children.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, it is a taskbar. The taskbar is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. It shows the many important things such as start button, search box, icons of frequently used and open programs, today's date and current time. Let us learn about these important parts of the taskbar. In last class I shown you the taskbar. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, I will show you. Is it visible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this a taskbar is visible?
No,
The,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yes. So see
No, ma'am.
in the
No, ma'am.
corner.
Not visible. No, ma'am. मैम मुझे नहीं दिख रहा मैम नहीं दिख रहा ठीक
See now.
नो मैम नो मैम नो मैम मैम दिख रहा है
Yes. So
दिख रहा है
see. So this is the
दिख रहा है मैम
down. Okay, mute yourself. It is down. There is a black color bar. It is there. This is called as your taskbar. What it called?
टास्क बार
Taskbar. See, exactly at the corner, it come here as a start. It is. Are you seeing that? Start. See there. That is called as your start button. What it called?
स्टार्ट बटन स्टार्ट बटन
Start button. Exactly beside of the start button, there is one magnifying glass is there. That is called as your search button. Or you can call it as a search box. So if I type here, see it will be open and you have to type here. So for example, I will type here as a pen. So I will get here as a pen. So this is called as your search box. What it called? Next,
सर्च बॉक्स
whatever we are using files, it is present over here. See here, it is looking here.
मैम मैम
Yes. So this is called as your programs which you are using or you can open here. And in this corner, it is date it is given. Date and time. This is the main part of your this taskbar. What do you call for this picture? Desktop picture. This small pictures over there. What do you call for that picture?
सर्च बॉक्स
It is search box. See, I am showing here are some pictures over here on the desktop. What do you call for those pictures? I explained in the last class. This is called as an icons. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we'll see now how what is our start button. This is our first button. Exactly at the left corner of our desktop there is a start button. We'll see now. Start button. Start button it appears at the left corner of the taskbar. See this is our left side and exactly at the corner will appear as a start button. When we click this button, a list of program or apps appear. This list is called as is a start menu. We can use start menu to do some common tasks such as starting a program and shutting down the computer. See, if I click here, see, are you seeing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the list of program will be appear. When you click on the start button, this program will be appear. Whichever program you want, you can select it from this list. Okay. See here, I want as a calculator. So I will just click on that. So see here, calculator is open.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't want it, you can close it. So first what you have to do, go to the start button and you can use anything. Whatever you want, which program you want, you can select from this list. So this is about your start and this is called as your start menu. What it called?
Start menu. Start menu.
It is
Start
called as a
menu.
start menu. Yes. And see,
Start menu.
from this button, you can off your computer also. So there is a power. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can shut
Yes,
down your
ma'am.
computer from this. So this is about your start button. I will explain once again. Listen carefully. Okay. So this exactly down of your desktop there is a bar. This is called as your what it called?
Taskbar.
Yes, it is called as a taskbar. And the parts of a taskbar it is given as this start button. Next, it is a search button where we can search anything which is present on our computer. Next is frequently used or open programs. It is there on your taskbar. Next, on the right corner, it is given as a date and time. This is the parts of our taskbar. Okay, in that we just seen that this is about the start menu, or you can call it as a start button. If I click on our start button, there will be open a list. That list is called as a start menu, because from this list only we can choose whatever program we want. Okay, so this is the main menu which we want. From this menu only we have to select the program we want. Okay, this is about your start button. Understood this, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Next comes about your search button. What they given? Using the search box, we can quickly look for an app or a program on our computer and open it. For example, to open Paint. So see exactly beside of this start button, there is a search box. So if I click on that, this file will be open and this page will be open. Here there is a type here to search. Whatever you want, you have to type here. See, for example, to open Paint, we can type the word Paint in the search box as shown in the following figure. It is given in your textbook also. See, same page will be open. So here you have to type it as a Paint. See, Paint is open here.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
from
ma'am.
this, you can select and you can open the Paint. So this is the steps. First you have to go to the search box. Here you have to type it as an Paint. You will get here as a Paint option. The taskbar also displays the buttons of open. As for example, if Paint is open, its buttons appears on the taskbar. See, I will open now it as a Paint. See, on the taskbar it is showing here Paint.
Yes, ma'am.
See, I am
Yes,
using
ma'am.
the Google Meet. See, children, now I am taking your class, online class. So, it is your Google Meet. So, this is open here.
Ma'am,
See here, your class will be open here, it will be showing. See there, second standard online class is showing or no? And this is about your work page. Just I open. It will be shown in our taskbar. Whatever programs we are opening on our computer, that will be shown on our taskbar. Okay? Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt,
Yes,
children?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The
Yes,
taskbar.
ma'am.
Okay. The taskbar also displays the buttons of open apps. For example, if Paint is open, its buttons appear on the taskbar as shown in the following figure. Typing Paint in search box finds the program in the computer. Click the program name to open it. It is given. How I have shown you here, that only they given in this statement form. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See, you learn now start button. First you have to click on a start button. The list will be open. This is called as your start menu, and whichever program you want, you can select from this list. Okay, this is about your search button. Sorry, start button. Next comes about your search button. Here you have to type anything. Okay. For example, I given here as a pen, but if I want it as a word or a notepad, I will type here it as a notepad. See, notepad is open here. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
If I
Yes,
open it,
ma'am.
it will be open here and it will be shown here. See here.
Yes, ma'am.
See here. Notepad it is shown here on the taskbar. So we can delete it. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
This is about your start
Yes,
button
ma'am.
and about your search box. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next comes about your practice zone. See page number 35. Practice zone. Complete the following. What is the first one? The background image of the desktop. What it called?
Wallpaper.
Yes, it is called as a wallpaper. Next, a rectangular area that is open when you double click an icon. What you call?
Window.
It is called as a window. Next, it shows the today's date and current time. Who will show where you are getting the date and time? Yes, you are getting the date and time on your taskbar. Correct. A collection of related files. Where you are collecting the files?
Folder.
Yes, it is called as a folder. Correct. Okay. Next, we'll see how to shut down the computer. Means how will you switch off our computer? There is a steps they given. Okay. So for this, they given the steps. We'll see one by one. Step by step shutting down a computer. To shut down a desktop PC correctly, follow these steps. What is the first step? Click the start button on the taskbar. So here it is a start button.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
First we have to select Okay. First you have to select that. Next, click the power option. So this is the power option.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have to select it. Okay, there will be a three more option will become. It is sleep, shut down, and it will come it as an restart. Okay.
Ma'am.
Click on the shutdown option. To shut down our computer, you have to click over the shutdown. If you want to make it as a sleep, you can go for the sleep. If you want to shut down, go for the shutdown. If you want to restart your computer, go for the restart option. But we are here shutting down the computer, so we want the shut down the computer. So here we have to click. Okay. A message showing that the computer is shutting down appears on the content. When you click this, there will one page will be open. That is called as the shutting down. See here on the textbook it is given. Shutting down it is given or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. After this, your computer will be get shut down. After that, you have to switch off your monitor. Next, switch off your UPS. Then switch off the switches or the buttons over there. That is your main power buttons you have to switch off. Same procedure you have to go for the opposite. See in for starting, we are first switch on our power buttons. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Next step we are switch on our.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Listen
Yes, ma'am.
children. First, you will be switch on your power button. Next, you will be switch on your this UPS button. Next, switch on your CPU. Switch on your monitor. Yes or no? This is the
Monitor.
steps. But for shutting down, you have to go for the start button. Here there is a power. You have to select that, and here you have to make it as a shutdown. After making that shutdown, go for the next step. It is switch off the monitor. Firstly, you have to switch on. Here you have to switch off. Here you have to switch off the computer. That is your monitor. Next step, you have to switch off your UPS. Then you have to switch off your power buttons. You have to opposite. In starting, switch on your computers. You are getting first UPS, then monitor. But here, first monitor, then UPS. Got it? Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
This is
No,
about
ma'am. No,
this is
ma'am.
about
No,
our
ma'am. No,
computer.
ma'am.
Understood this all? Huh, children? Understood this all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we discuss about the start button, search box, and how to shut down our computer. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So open page number 38 now. Page number 38. Open this page.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
So what is the first question? Fill in the blanks using the words given below. The words they given UPS, icons, taskbar, desktop and booting. First one, the start button is present on the dash. Where your start button will be present?
Desktop.
It is desktop or taskbar.
And taskbar.
It is present on our taskbar. Correct.
Taskbar.
Dash are the small pictures on the desktop. Hmm? What are the small pictures we called?
Icon. Oh my God.
Yes, it is called as an icons. The screen that appears on the monitor after you turn on the computer is called the,
Desktop.
yes, it is called as an desktop. Yes, when you
Desktop.
switch on your computer, one screen will be appear. That screen is called as your desktop, and the icons will be present on our desktop. Next, before switching off the main power button, you should switch off the,
UPS.
yes, you have to switch off your UPS. During that, the computer perform necessary actions which makes it ready to use. What do you call for that process?
Putting.
Putting, no, it is booting.
Putting.
It is called as a booting. Okay?
Taskbar.
Next comes answers. What does the desktop contains? What it contains? Desktop. What is there on our desktop? What you can see?
Icon.
Yes, first one it is icons. Next, what do you call for?
Taskbar.
Yes, it is a taskbar.
Taskbar.
Okay, next,
Taskbar. UPS. UPS.
UPS will be present on our desktop.
Search.
No, it is come in our taskbar. I want only on our desktop. What do you call for the background of a desktop?
Wallpaper.
Yes. So desktop contains wallpaper, icons, and the taskbar. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second one, name any two things present on the taskbar. What are present on our taskbar?
Pen.
Taskbar.
Date and time.
Search box and
UPS.
what will be present on our taskbar? Who is telling us all the time it is an UPS only? Huh? What are the parts of a taskbar?
Ma'am, internet.
Taskbar.
Start button.
Yes, it is a start button. We just will learn this. It internally present out there. Start button and search box. Next, okay. Remaining, you can try at home. So this one, it is C, D, and E. Try yourself. Will you try?
Yes, ma'am.
It is your homework. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Till now, if you have any doubts, you can ask me.
No, ma'am.
All are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
No doubt, ma'am.
Yes. So what we learn in this chapter? First we learn how to start our computer. That is our switch on the computer. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In that next we see what you mean by an booting. That is our starting up of a computer. It is called as our booting. Next we see logging in. Means you have to use our username and our password. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is called as our
Yes,
logging into the computer.
Login.
Next, we'll see about the desktop. Yes or no? So, whatever screen will be present after we logging into the computer. That screen is called as our desktop. On the desktop, we are seeing the icons, wallpaper, taskbar. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we
Yes,
say
ma'am.
what do you mean by a window? Whatever program we are opening. For example, we are opening it as a paint. So that paint it is called as a window. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
That we see. Next, we learn about the parts of a taskbar. That is our start button and search box. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
You learn
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
What are
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
What is the use of our start button and what is the use of your search box? We learn now. And next, we learn how to shut down our computer. There is a steps. So no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Till now, we learn all these things. If you have any doubts, you can ask me now. Understood all the points?
Yes, ma'am.
No one having a doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.